Hey everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today we're going to talk about Aave, current number 17th ranked coin. Current market cap for Aave right now is just over $5.3 billion, up 9% in the past 24 hours, as you see there. And current price just shy of $430. And you can see these market caps. I want to touch on this a little bit. I've received a couple questions about market cap. Market cap, you get this number. How do you get it? If you don't know, you need to know, because this is an important lesson to learn. Market cap is only your current price, $429.58, multiplied by your circulating supply right here. This is shown on all coins on CoinMarketCap. So you multiply this number times the price, and you get that number. So what is a fully diluted market cap? This is simply the total max supply down here of coins that could ever be, and then you multiply that by the current price. So that is the difference, okay? That is how you get market cap. You could find out that on any coin. CoinMarketCap is perfect website for it. Does it for you. But if you don't know, that's how you get a market cap for anything. On this channel, we focus on bigger time frames. We focus on more charts, less news, less hype. And we also have a Twitter, a Telegram, and a Patreon. If you want to learn a little bit more, check us out on Patreon. All linked in the description below. So without further ado, let's get on it. Aave on the daily chart against Tether. Okay, so what have we got drawn here? We have a resistance line first and foremost, is the horizontal line. That is our next area of concern as we move up. If we can break this and hold this as support, then I think there's going to be some more clear skies ahead. But we have to clear this first. However, let me remove that now that we've talked about it. This is our trend line. Look at what we have recently done. So after our pullback, as all coins have done in the past few weeks, right? We've held this line as resistance. We came up to it, right to it, and then broke it. And now we have confirmed it as support. Look at these candles. No candles back through it. That's a great sign. So Aave is now moving back up after it's confirmed support. Now we're going back up. Now, in our last video, we talked about Aave could reach 1,000 in March. Well, is that still on the table? Yes, I do believe that could still be on the table, and I'm going to show you why. So with Aave currently just shy of $430, going up to 1,000 might seem near impossible in the next, what are we at? Let's see. How many days do we have left to pull this feed off still? 23 days. Is that enough time? Based on past moves, of course. Let's look at it. What will we have to do from here to get up there? So that is 133% move, roughly. So how have we ever done anything like that before? I'm glad you asked. Let's look at this move right here. Just from here to here. What kind of move is that? After we started this move, right there is over 100% right there. That was 8 days. This move right here, over 100%, is 8 days. So 8 days. We have 23 days. So I wonder what we did in 23 days. So how far back was 23 days? 23 days, January 18th. So let's start from there and see what we did. January 18th, right here. Let's see how much we've done in those 23 days. 224% on Aave. 224% in 23 days. So it pulled this 100% move, over 100%, almost 110%, after it had already pulled this is where we ended, a 350% move almost. Over that, if you count, just go to the top, 400% move. So it pulled a 400% move, took a breather, and pulled another 110% move. That is all been since the last week of December. Not that long. So after we clear our resistance around 460, 470, and you see us holding as support, that is still in the cards. It doesn't have to happen, but I want to show you that it is still possible. If we start getting another bullish move out of all altcoins, which if Bitcoin just settles down here, it could happen. Otherwise, if Bitcoin takes off again, yeah, that might be tough to do in the short term by March. We still have plenty of time left in the bull run. So keep a level head. We don't have to see all this in the next 23 days. We could wait 33 days, 53 days, something like that. If Bitcoin corrects back down, then yeah, everything's going to be put on hold until Bitcoin can stabilize and move sideways. If we start retesting the 21-week for Bitcoin, all altcoins will likely bleed against Bitcoin and against the US dollar in the short term. That's what we want to look for Aave. Okay, bigger picture Aave on the weekly chart. If this starts playing out, then we could be looking at much higher highs. This is a very bullish pattern. If we start moving up here and hold resistance around the 470 level like I spoke of before, and then maybe in March, this is on the weekly, so by the end of March, if we're still inside this and haven't broken to the downside, then we could be looking at a macro trend breakout, which would be very awesome for all of altcoins. I'm sure would be doing something similar to this. And certainly Aave could be looking at another move similar to something back here. So watch this on the macro trend. A warning sign that I do see is this candle right here. This is almost a textbook gravestone doji candle, and that can be found usually at the tops of rallies. Now, the positive out of this is, so we already took the dive, so to speak. So from the top to the bottom, we've already gone down 50%, over 50%. In a bull market, that's usually about max. So we've currently moved already back up much higher than that, right? We're already back up, 57% back up from that bottom. So maybe we're continuing this move. So far, we've remained unbroken. If you see us breaking down below this level, this is your key level, 352, 350. If you see bodies of candles closing down here, then we're probably in a cool off. Bitcoin is likely also cooling off, the whole crypto market. We need the DXY, the US dollar currency index, to come back down. It's close to making a decision whether it's going to blow up or get rejected by the next moving average. So we could talk about that more on our channel. If you, like I said, if you want to join us on Twitter or Telegram or Patreon, we have a private Telegram on that. Still only a handful of people on there, so much more personable. If you have any questions, we also do a weekly video and also daily chart updates on the majority of major coins. So try us out. See what you think. Oh, I am going to make another video this afternoon, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be quite a while, but it will be out today. I appreciate your sticking around for this long if you have. Let's do our car of the day. It is a Ferrari 488 GTS. This is actually a V8 Ferrari, if you don't know. Most Ferraris are V12s, but they decided to do a turbo V8 in this, so some people not quite so happy with that. The 458, which is technically below this, has the naturally aspirated, and a lot of people are going back to that and trading in their more expensive 488 because they like the naturally aspirated. So, and our quote of the day. Thanks so much, guys. Appreciate you sticking around. I'll see you on the next video. Let's have a great day. Higher prices when I come back.